Hello everyone, this is Hanbong Kim from GoodTask. On this video, I'll explain widgets that's been added to iOS 14 and macOS Big Sur. There are two types of widgets for GoodTask, List widget and Favorites widget. Lists widget will show you a list you select on your home screen. Pick any list on GoodTask and the view. Tasks will be shown on the order it's on that list. You can select between four types of modes. Default mode will show you title, date, and another line for notes or a subtask. Compact mode will show title and date in one line. Compact 2 mode will show title and date in separate line. Full mode will try to show you all the subtasks if possible. You can choose to show calendar on all sizes. When calendar is hidden, you can choose between 1 or 2 columns on medium and large sizes. Tapping a task will open it, and tapping other places will open selected list. Plus button will of course open adding page. Favorites widget is a powerful way to view certain lists or add customized new tasks. New types of favorite actions has been added. You can make a new task with preset options. Set up title, list, notes, dates, priority, and subtasks. Pick an icon and color for that action. You can also open camera, audio, or paste clipboard to notes directly. You can also add favorites to open various pages inside the app, such as goals, today, and next page. Favorites widget can be in small and medium size. Small size can have 1 item, and medium size can have up to 8 items. You can choose to show icon only or with the title. Also, you can set it to show colors, mono or filled color on background. Hope you enjoy using the widgets and get it done with GoodTask. Thanks.